Good morning, dear children. See, here I am going to introduce one character. That is Avantika. Okay, I am going to tell a small story. Okay, Avantika, she is studying in 4th standard, same as you. Okay, and children, every year from her school, they are conducting tour programs. See children, do you like tour? Did you go anywhere from your school 2 years back as excursion? Okay children, see in Avantika schools every year they are conducting tour programs. And the last year they conducted tour to planetarium, that is at Calicut. Okay, but children, at the time when she is studying in 4th standard, they conducted a tour program to Mysore. Mysore is a beautiful place. Okay, and they are going to visit a zoo. Okay, what is zoo, children? Yes, I know that all the students know what is zoo. Are different varieties of animals and birds, reptiles we can see there. Okay, children. So, on that particular day, Avantika and her friends, teachers reached Mysore and they enter into the zoo. After collecting the tickets from the counter, they enter into the zoo. And first children, they went to the bird section. A variety of birds are there. Okay, and children, these all birds are living in different trees. Okay, and a lot of big and small nests they can see there. And here in that bird section full of a net covering is there to prevent their escape. Okay children, so in today's class we are going to start the 3rd chapter. Third chapter. What is that chapter name? The animals and their food habit. All of you listen here. Is our 3rd chapter, the animals and their food habits. Okay, and children, I told you in that story, they entered to the bird section. A variety of birds. Here you can see some birds that she already seen there in the zoo. You look here. All birds are very beautiful, no? Yes, children, very good. See, all of you observe its beak. You know its beak? See children, all the beaks are similar in shape. No, different birds have different beaks. Okay children, see, and that time maybe you think that why these different birds have different types of beaks. These beaks are used for different tasks, different purposes. Which are they, children? Can you say? Yes, children. See, this bird's beak are used for different tasks. Number 1, its beak is used to catch prey. And number 2, its beak is used to eat food. Number 3, its beak is used to communicate to other birds. And its beak is used to taking small grains, nuts, these all things from the ground. And its beak is used to take nectar from the flower. These are the different purposes. And moreover children, its beak are used for cleaning their feathers and feeding their young ones, to building nest. For all these purposes, birds use their beaks. That's why birds have different shaped beaks. Okay. And children, next I will show another picture. You look here. Which are the birds you can see here? Yes, children, that is a pigeon and a sparrow. Look here. And all of you observe its beak. It is a small and hard one. Small, short and hard beak. And what is the use of this sparrows and pigeons' beak? That is used for crushing nuts and seeds. Crushing nuts and seeds. It is a strong and short one. So these type of beaks we can call it as crushing beaks. What is that? Crushing beaks. Okay. So which are the birds have crushing beaks? One word question. See, pigeon and sparrow. And move on to the next one. Okay children, you look here. Which is that bird? Yes children, that is hummingbird. What is that? Hummingbird. And children, one important thing is that this hummingbird is the only one bird that have a beak longer than the rest of its body. Means its beak is long and needle-like structure. Hummingbird's beak is long and needle-like structure. And also it is hard. Okay, and its beak is very long than the rest of its body. Actually, this hummingbird's beak is a protective sheath for its tongue, and which the hummingbird is usually take nectar from the flower. You look here, hummingbird is taking nectar from the flower using its needle-like beak. Okay, and children, this type of beak we can call it as sucking beak. Sucking beak. Because hummingbird is sucking nectar from the flower. See children, you know, when you are drinking a juice, we are using straws, no? Plastic straws. In olden time we are using plastic straws. Same use. Same function here, hummingbird's beak is doing there. Sucking nectars from the flower. Okay, so second type of beak is sucking beak. And children, move on to the third one. See, which bird is that? Which bird? Yes, children, that is Pelican. What is that name? Pelican. P-E-L-I-C-A-N. It pronounced as Pelican. Okay, and children, see its beak. All of you see its beak? It is a long beak and large pouch under its beak. See, Pelican has long beak and a large pouch under its beak. And what is its use, children? This type of beak is used for scooping fish from the water and filtering food from the water. That is the use of this beak. Filtering food from water and sifting food from water and also scooping fish from the water. Okay, these are the uses of Pelican beaks. So this type of beak we can call it as sifting beak. What is that? Sifting beak. And children, see, here you can see parrot. That's beautiful bird, parrot. Okay, it's very lovely, no? Okay, and children, what about the shape of the parrot beak? All of you look there. It is short and curved one. You look there. Short and curved one. And that ends in a conical shape. And what is its use? This curved beak is used for cracking nuts and seeds. And it is also used for cracking grains. Okay children, these are the uses of parrot beak. And children, move on to the next one, that is cheering beak. Cheering beak. See, here you can see some birds. Which are they? Yeah children, that is eagle, vulture, then all like that. These birds, you look there, its beak. These birds' beak has a strong one and sharp. Okay, and what is its use? These beaks, eagle, vultures, all hawks' beak is used for tearing the meat Here you can see they are tearing the meat. Okay, beak is used for tearing meat. So these beaks we can call it as tearing beaks. Example, eagle, pigeon, eagle, vultures, all hawk like that. Okay, and children, next one. See, which is the next one? It's familiar one. Yeah, children, very good. That is woodpecker. Which is that bird? Woodpecker. Woodpecker beak. You look there. Its shape is like a chisel. Chisel. C-H-I-S-E-L. What does it mean, children? Chisel. It's a long bladed hand tool. It's a blade-like structure. Blade-like structure. Its beak. That much sharp and pointed. And what is its use? This beak is used to drill holes in the wood and to find out insects to eat. You know that woodpecker are drilling the wood. Okay, and it is trying to find out insects for eating. That is about woodpecker. And children, the last bird. See children, yeah, it is crow. And children, you look there, its beak. It is a particular shape. This crow's beak has particular shape. And children, the beak is used for different purposes. Crow's beak is used for different purposes. Multi-purpose uses are there. Actually, the food of crow is, children, eggs, then fruits, grains, then dead reptiles, mammals, everything. You know that in your surroundings you can see a lot of crows are there. Okay, and it's making a particular type of sound. Okay, and see children, its beak has multi-purposes. Multi-purposes. They are using for different purposes. That is meaning. Okay children, so from all these contents, now we have already learned different types of birds' beaks. From all these contents, what do you have to understand, children? See children, different birds have different types of beaks for taking suitable food that they eat. That's why birds have different types of beak for taking their favorite food. Okay, that's why their beaks are evolved like this. So, their body, these changes we can see in their body, that we can call it as adaptations. Adaptation. Okay, the changes occur in the body according to their environment. That is called adaptation. See children, its definition is the process of changes by which an organism becomes better suited for its environment. Once again, the definition of adaptation is the process of changes by which an organism becomes better suited to its environment. That is called adaptation. Simply I will explain in a simple example. See children, I told you Pelican is a bird. Okay, that its beak is a particular shape. A pouch is under its beak. A large pouch is under its beak because that pelican is in water. So, this pelican can use this particular type of beak to catch the prey or filter food from water. Filter food from water. Okay, that's why its beak is evolved like in particular shape. Okay, and woodpecker. And next one, hummingbird, a needle-like structure for taking nectars from the flower. So, their beak is evolved in a particular shape as according to their environment. Okay children, these all things about birds' beaks. Crushing beaks, sucking beaks, sifting beak and tearing beak. 4 types of beak. All of you watch it very carefully and do the textual exercise. Read the textbook very carefully. We can meet at the time of Google Meet. Bye-bye.